What's going on, guys? It's CryptoMykel here, coming today with we got a package, and we just got home from work not long ago. Long day. But we got a package. Can anybody guess what that logo is? What's in the box? Trying to cut my fingers. 3, 2, 1. It is. Maybe we can get it. Camera shake. What do we have here? A Cudis ring? Cudis. Embrace your wellness journey on your own health data. Oh my gosh, one-handed is terrible. Here's the manual. We got a charging. That's pretty snazzy. Anything else in here? Doesn't look like it. USB-C connector. Charging. So we place the ring inside of here to charge it. That's pretty cool. Huh. I mean, that's one way to package a cable. I ain't gonna lie, it's a long cable. Nothing else. Wow. It's a good sized cable. So I wonder though, do we have to put it on that finger? Not a that finger kind of guy. So if I'm not mistaken, this is a size 10. Yeah, Cudis 02. This is the second version of the Cudis rings. And it is focus a size 10. Does it look pretty? Now we can tell my wife that I'm married to her, because my old ring was bent out of shape due to working in an engine. So yeah, they don't do half sizes. I'm probably like a 9.5. 9's too small, but with those little ridges right there, you can see it actually works out perfect. There we go. So move them on the bottom. It doesn't fling off, so I call that a win. And they're made out of titanium, so it's actually pretty cool. So the titanium smart ring. Shout out to our guys over here at Cudis for getting this over to us. Absolutely love this. So there you go. Cudis 002. You can actually buy these for $349 right now. I'll actually have a link for these coming up soon. It'll be down in the description. But for now, I'll have a link to just here. Or the other link. Whichever comes first. So you can get it in gold, rose gold, black, or a silver finish. The Cudis 02 is slightly smaller than the 01 versions, and the standard ring sizings. We recommend measuring your finger before sizing. No subscription fee. We own our own data. Your health data could be worth up to $5,000 a year. Not saying you're going to make $5,000 a year, but you do earn points for completing tasks. Now, since your boy works on a mining farm and I do a lot of walking, I've always been actually curious about this. So I don't know. Let's go see. Let's go see if it's Wi-Fi approved. Ready? I need to know. Is it Wi-Fi approved? She said it's a
still feel like it's a little big.
You still feel like it's a little big? Well, I mean, we only get like sizes 9 and 10. 9 would have been too small.
Well, I guess is that how it's supposed to be because of the double layer?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
That makes sense.
I'm not sure. According to here, it says O2 is smaller than the O1s and the US standard sizing. So it says and the US standard sizing is smaller. We recommend using this finger guide before choosing. But the finger guide said that I was a 9. And I don't know.
That one tracked. Yeah. I think it's good though. I like it.
Wi-Fi approved. So, Wi-Fi approved. Good to go. And, well, we'll show you some cool stuff because we got to get this ring set up in the app, which we'll show you right here while we're talking about this. So, setup process was super simple. Really didn't take any time at all. As you can see, it's breezing by right about here. So, super simple. Of course, I can't show you both at the same time because I'm recording this on the same phone that I'm using to set this up. So, like I said, super simple. You do get an AI coach that is like included into the app, which is kind of cool. It's using GPT 4.0 down below, as well as you can measure your sleeping, your walks, like all of your steps, whether you're running or walking. You can start activities for running or walking, and you will accrue points for everything that you do. Enter into raffles, win other prizes, as well as, well, maybe we'll win some more rings and give them away here on the channel. Pretty cool. We will have more for this down in the description below, as well as we'll have another video later on once we've tested out how it's going to be. Would love to see how its durability stands up to in the mining farm and kind of see how it goes. Alright, so much love. Peace out. Remember, stay freaking savage and get healthy. Peace. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. You know, the good stuffs. I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Later.